Hello guys, we're clearing up the garden and we make another lot. You have to help this boy here. We get the goat's manure. Hello goaties. Eh, makaya dili. Atam manini boy. Ito nga boy, ito nga. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing here. We use the coconuts. The young coconuts who fell down, we will use like a barrier in here. And we bring all the leaves in the surrounding. We clear up. Yeah, more leaves in there. We're gonna put it here, and that goat manure will be put on top, and then we're gonna plant the pichay. Yeah, just like this. Our coconut Korea. And we are also planting more pichay. I've been clearing here, more clearing to clean up more in there. Look at our pichay, guys. Almost gonna be ready to harvest soon. And that's a kangkong. We just been collecting some of kangkong to put in our dish. And here we are gonna finish off. Okay, I'm gonna show you the final result.